Hello, I'm Andrew. Today, we're going to explore the world of HTML sanitizing. What exactly is HTML sanitizing? It's a process that cleans HTML content, stripping away any dangerous or malicious code. This ensures that user-generated HTML content can be safely displayed in emails without compromising security. Here at Campaign Cleaner, our HTML sanitizing feature is always active and with good reason. It's a critical layer of defense for your email campaigns. Let's navigate to Clean Campaign, where I've got a demo lined up to demonstrate this in action. In this preloaded email, you'll notice script tags, attributes like onClick, and custom attributes such as payload. These are classic signs of malicious HTML, which spam filters are adept at catching and blocking. Ready for some magic? Let's click Clean Campaign and watch the cleanup. And there you have it. Did you see how all the potentially harmful code was wiped clean? This, right here, is one of the easiest ways to tarnish your reputation and get blacklisted by sending emails with unsanitized HTML. To sum up, HTML sanitization isn't just about cleaning email code. It's about safeguarding your email's integrity and ensuring the digital safety of your recipients.